I got this well water filter sent to me to make a video about. The name on here is Weisswasser. With these types of well water filters, you would put this where the water comes into your house before you have your filtration system or your appliances, and then any debris or anything would be filtered out through here. Comes with a wrench here so that you can open it up. You just put the wrench on here like this, and then you can use that to crank it loose there. And then you can actually open this up and you can clean your filter. That's one of the nice things about this filter right here, is that you can take this out and clean it there. So you can see what it looks like inside here. You can see what the filter looks like. It's got the nice O-rings on there. You don't have to worry about how to put it back in. It'll only go in one way. Put it in here like this here. And then it's got the nice spring action there. You can see the housing right here, how nice that is. It's got the plastic inside there. This is a nice hard plastic too. Nice hard clear plastic so you can see inside there. You can tighten that up on there. You also got a nice valve right here. Nice good valve on there. You can see how nice it's packaged here. It has a nice foam packaging to protect the filter and to keep all the parts organized there. You can see everything that comes in the box here. Got everything there in the little bag right here. And then you got all the different parts right here. And then you got the little wrench there to take the filter apart. Be careful when you take these off. This can be kind of sharp here. You got the nice grooves right there. You can see the quality on here. It also comes with 2 of the adapters and hex nuts there. You get 2 of these. Here's the other ones here. And then you also get 2 of the O-rings right there. And then you have the little tool to take it apart. And it also comes with another O-ring, a plastic quick connect, another little O-ring in there, and then it comes with a piping right there. So you have everything you need here for your Weisswasser filter. It's also got the instructions here on how to set it up. So this is designed to be your first line of defense, so the water will come in here and get filtered out before it goes to your home filtration system or gets any debris or anything into your appliances. And like I said, it's nice that you could take this apart and you can clean out that filter there and then reassemble it, and then it's back on track. So yeah, this looks pretty nice. If you're looking for a well water filter, this looks like a pretty nice one. Really good quality product here.